I am coming at you again with another glass of wine, ready to share with you some Dollar Tree finds from this past week. Cheers. So this week at my Dollar Tree, I was looking for a few practical things like some seasonings and whatnot. And as always, on the lookout for anything that really catches my eye. And with Valentine's Day being over, there's a crap ton of new stuff. So I'll probably start with the most boring items I picked up and go to the most interesting. So first, I got this giant thing of lemon juice. I'm cooking a recipe with lemon juice in it this week, so I figured I should probably pick some up. And this was $1, and I think I pay, it's at least more than $1 for the little things of lemon juice that you get at the grocery store. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this much, but excited. It was $1. Can't complain. Two other more practical things that I got were some garlic powder and some onion powder. Again, just for some recipes I have this week. I've run out of both of these lately for $1. You get a really nice size, 2.5 ounce of the garlic powder and 2 ounces of the onion powder. So great deal. Excited to use these. Not that exciting for the Dollar Tree, I know. So let's get into the good stuff. So the next thing that I found is this hair clip. It's like this really iridescent looking hair clip. I actually have one in my hair right now. I bought 2, so this is kind of like my one for at home when I want to just throw my hair up and not deal with it. And then this one I'm going to bring to work because there are many days where I'm like, I can't handle my hair and you just need to put it up. So figured it looked kind of cool, kind of mermaidy in an abstract way, but anything mermaid, you know, it's gonna be mine. So bringing this to work. And then, of course, for some reason, I always have to grab these hanging, like long hanging welcome signs for the holidays. So this one just has a bunny at the top and then a bunch of Easter eggs, all glittery. Super cute. I have a place right by my front door that I hang these, so this will be nice. Once St. Patrick's Day is over, I can take mine down and then just throw this one up. And then I picked up 2 more placemats. You guys know that I love to use placemats to make pillows. So these are kind of a different material, so I don't know how easy they'll be to sew. But if they don't work out, whatever, it's $2. Sorry, Mom, another project. Don't hate me. And then I have a couple odd finds, I guess. Some food finds, you could say. The first one was these blueberry muffin mug cakes. I thought that these would be super nice to have for any kind of guests coming over if I need a quick breakfast for them, something like that, or, you know, if Nick wants to take something to work. I don't know, nice to have on hand. I know that these are a lot more expensive in the store, so figured I'd pick some up. Didn't really need them, but I bought them. And then I think this is my favorite find of the week. It's these 7 Spritzer watermelon lemonade. This is an 8-pack of little drinks. It says fizzy goodness, sweetened only with natural fruit juice, only 15 calories. So it's sparkling water plus real fruit juice. I don't know, I'm really into it. I really like seltzer waters like LaCroix or Polar, any ones like that. So I was really weirded out to see this in the dollar store. This is the only one that I saw, and it was definitely in the wrong spot. So I don't know, excited to try it for $1 for 8 of them. Rock on. Really excited about this. And then the last part of this is kind of going to revolve around a few items that I might try to DIY. I am the least crafty person ever, so I don't know how this is going to go. But I had this idea in my head. We'll see if it actually works out. But I bought one of Sorry, that was really stuck in there. I bought one of the Dollar Tree willow wreaths. It's not massive, but it's a pretty good size. And what I want to do with this is make my own floral wreath. So, Dollar Tree has these super pretty floral, I don't know, they're not floral picks, but they're just flowers. And they kind of have this like fuzziness to them, or they're almost like flocked in a way. But they're super pretty for the dollar store. So I'm thinking about either cutting them up and poking some of the sprigs in the bottom of this and then hanging it on the door. I have two different kinds. So I've got a yellow kind with some purple and then with some white and some purple. But anyway, so I'm thinking about either shoving it in here on its own, which I don't think that's going to work. I think that this stem's going to be too long unless I cover it up. So what I'll probably do is cut these and then stick them into the wreath. So we'll see if that actually ends up working out. I don't know. We're going to find out. But I feel like there's a will. If there's a will, there's a way. I don't have a hot glue gun though, so that might be problematic, but we'll make it work. But yeah, so these are the last items that I got. I bought doubles. So like I said, you can check my blog post too. I'll have actual photos of everything I have here. So I have the yellow and the purple, and then I have the purple and cream white, but they're super pretty, and I even thought if this doesn't work out, then I'll just find little jars or something to put them in, because they're really pretty. Ooh, there's one more thing that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Hold on. One last item. I can't believe I almost forgot this, but I was so excited about it. I cut the tag off and it's hanging on my door. So this is a sign that says, "Welcome to our patch." Yep, welcome to our patch. It's got some galvanized metal on the top and bottom, and then this carrot here kind of looks like it has galvanized metal around it. Again, I have close-up pictures on my blog of this, but it's so cute. So had to pick it up. This is probably also one of my favorites. I had a lot of favorites this trip, but Dollar Tree is just killing the game. But anyways, that's what I gathered for the week from the dollar store. They keep me coming back, so they're doing a good job. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week, hopefully with some more awesome Dollar Tree finds. Thanks for watching.